Hello and welcome to Syed Raza Tech Craft. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make these glass effect slides using PowerPoint. So let's start. I'll show you step by step. So it's very easy to follow. So the first thing is I'll just get rid of all these things here. So I can start fresh. So once you deleted any of these, now the next step is to get the picture, the background picture. Either you can go into the insert tab, select pictures. Either you can get one picture from your device, or you can get any of these online pictures available inside this application as well. So you can choose any of these pictures as your background. The next thing you need to do is drag this picture. Just right click on any of these dots and drag this picture to fit your slide. Once you have done this, the next step is to press Ctrl+D just to duplicate this picture. Once you have this picture, make it smaller to fit the area where you want to keep your glass effect text. Just keep it there. Now the next step is, once you have your second picture here, you need to click on this picture, go on to this picture format tab, go into the corrections, and before correction, go into the artistic effect and make this picture blur. So once you have done this, the next thing, you go into the corrections and you can make this picture darker or lighter. It depends how you want this picture to be on your presentation. So I'll keep it little darker here. That's fine for me. It gives me a nice effect. Now the next thing I need to do here is I need to go into this crop feature and crop shape. From here, I'll choose this second option, the rounded corners. Click on it and it gives a nice effect to the picture here. Now this being done, the next step is to go onto the insert text and insert a text box here and type whatever you want to type here. Now to give it a modern look, I'll just increase the size of this text, bring it in the middle, change the color of this text, not to the white but slightly white, let's say the light gray, and also select any modern font. Once you have done this, there's one more thing that needs to be done here, is you need to select this character spacing, go into more spacing, and I'll choose the value of 20 here just to give it a modern look, and there you go. I think it looks quite nice here. And the next thing is go into the tab again, insert another box and choose the text, whatever text you want to go here. Sorry, I'll just I was not prepared for this text to be appear like this. I'll just edit it quickly just to make it smaller, bring it into the slide, and there you go. Now I have my text here as well. Now there's one more thing left to do here, is you need to insert some sort of picture here to make it more attractive. For that, you need to go into the insert tab again, select a picture. I'll select a picture from my device, and for this purpose I always use the pictures in PNG format with no backgrounds. So once you press insert, you need to adjust this picture and place it anywhere onto your slide where it looks better or it works for you. Either you can have it on this side, you can select a smaller size as well, have it on this side as well, and that's how you can get this lovely glass effect. Go into this corrections and choose the different colors from here as well to make it slightly more according to your need, and that's exactly how it works. You can make this more lighter as well, and now you can see it looks a bit different here. So I hope that helps, and thank you for watching.